Are you tired of spending hours creating videos for your YouTube channel, marketing campaigns, or online courses? Pictory AI may be just what you need to save time and produce professional quality videos with ease. With its script-to-video feature, Pictory AI leverages the latest AI technology to automatically create videos from your scripts, leaving you with more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Get started with Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a cloud-based platform, which means there's no software to download or install. Simply sign up for an account, and you're ready to start creating videos. You'll also have access to Pictory AI's vast media library, which includes over 3 million video clips and images, as well as 15,000 music tracks from industry leaders like StoryBlocks and Melod.ie. Best of all, everything in the library is royalty-free, so you'll never have to worry about copyright claims. Create your script. Before you can create a video using Pictory AI, you'll need to write a script. This could be a voiceover script, a marketing script, or any other type of script that you want to turn into a video. Keep your script short and to the point. Pictory AI works best with scripts that are under 5 minutes long and have a clear message. Use Pictory AI's real fast technology. Pictory AI's real fast technology is what makes it possible to create videos in minutes instead of hours. This unique technology is built from the ground up to work at lightning speed, so you can turn your scripts into stunning videos in no time. Once you've written your script, simply copy and paste it into Pictory AI's script editor, and the AI will do the rest. Let Pictory AI do the work for you. With Pictory AI's powerful AI assistant, you don't need any previous video making experience or technical knowledge to create professional quality videos. Pictory AI will automatically select video clips and images that match your script, and even generate a voiceover using its text-to-speech feature. If you prefer, you can also record your own voiceover or upload a pre-recorded one. Review and edit your video. Once Pictory AI has created your video, you can review it and make any necessary edits. You can add or remove video clips, adjust the timing of the voiceover, or even change the background music. When you're happy with your video, you can download it and use it for your YouTube channel, marketing campaigns, or online courses. Conclusion: Pictory AI is a game changer for anyone who needs to create videos quickly and easily. Its script-to-video feature, real fast technology, and AI assistant make it possible to produce professional quality videos in just minutes, without any previous video making experience or technical knowledge. So why spend hours creating videos when you can let Pictory AI do the work for you?